Welcome to this tutorial on how to pin or stick a post to the top of your page in WordPress. If you've ever wanted to keep an important update, announcement, or featured article right at the top of your blog, this is exactly what you need. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make it happen. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to WordPress. Once the site loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the login button. A login window will appear, and here you can choose to sign in using your Google account. Just click on Continue with Google and select the account you want to use. It's a quick and secure way to log in without worrying about extra passwords. After signing in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control center for everything on your site. On the left-hand menu, find and click on Posts. This section shows all your published and drafted blog posts. Now, scroll through your list of posts and find the one you want to pin to the top of your page. Maybe it's an announcement, a welcome message, or a featured story you want everyone to see first. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over the post title. You'll see several options appear beneath it, including one called Quick Edit. Go ahead and click that. This opens a compact editing panel for your post, letting you make small changes without fully opening the editor. Inside this quick edit menu, look for the checkbox labeled Make this post sticky. Click that checkbox. What this does is tell WordPress to keep that post at the very top of your blog page, even when you publish new content later. It's a great way to make sure your most important message never gets buried under new posts. After selecting that option, scroll to the right and click the blue update button to save your changes. WordPress will now apply the sticky post setting instantly. To double check that everything worked, open your website in a new tab and refresh the page. You should now see your chosen post right at the top, marked as a sticky post. It'll stay there until you decide to unstick it. And that's it. You've successfully pinned a post in WordPress. This simple but powerful feature is perfect for highlighting updates, announcements, or featured content so your visitors see what matters most right away. It helps make your site look more organized and ensures that your key messages stay front and center. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to stick or pin a post to the top of your page in WordPress. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick WordPress tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Now go ahead and make your most important post shine right at the top of your site.